Hello everyone. So today this is the topic for our BDA project analysis, that is the Amazon customer review analysis. Our project mentor is Dr. Mrs. Ranjan Bala Jain. These are my group members Satadru Devnath, Kshitij Kohli, Mohit Kukreja, Ishika Misad and me myself. These are the contents that are all going to be covered in this presentation further. The problem statement for our project is that Amazon uses big data gathered from customers while they browse to build and fine tune its recommendation engine. Now, the more Amazon knows about you, the better it can predict what you want to buy. And once the retailer knows what you might want, it can streamline the process of persuading you to buy it. Amazon collects data from users as they navigate the site, such as the time spent browsing each page. Recommendation engines simplify the task of predicting what a customer wants. Now, by profiling them and looking at what people who fit into similar niches buy. In this way, developing a 360-degree view of your customers as individuals is the foundation of big data-driven marketing and customer service. Now, this is a block diagram of how we prepared our analysis. These are the steps of implementation that we have used for our analysis. The fourth point are the questions that have been used for a feedback that we'll be seeing further. Starting with our first analysis, the one product that received the highest number of 5-star ratings in entire Amazon is Amazon's Alexa. The total number of ratings that it received was 2,435, out of which 5-star ratings were 1,756. Now, here you can see the top 18 dates that we selected, wherein the Amazon's Alexa product has received a feedback. So we picked up top 18 dates because we couldn't pick up the entire set of dates, couldn't publish the entire set of dates here in front of you. So these are the top 18 dates on which the Amazon's Alexa has received feedbacks. Moving on to the second analysis, here we can see top number of 5-star ratings that any product has received. So the highest number of 5-star ratings a product has received is the configuration, that is Fire TV Stick, and the least number of 5-star ratings is received by Walnut Finish. You can see all the other ratings here, which product has received how many 5-star ratings on the left, and the bar graph is on the right. Moving on to the next analysis, that is which product has received maximum number of 1-star ratings. So as you can see, the product Black Show has received highest number of 1-star ratings, and the product Oak Finish has received the lowest number of 1-star ratings. And you can see the another final number of reviews and the which product has got how many reviews on the left in the table, and the bar graph is on the right. The conclusion is that Amazon product reviews have a significant impact on your business, and it takes into account the star rating, which determining where to place your product in the search results. In addition to that, a positive product review can significantly improve your conversion rate. That is in contrast to the customers who read negative reviews and are more likely to be cautious about buying your product. So many companies have a product and want to sell it, but many Amazon products also don't sell. That is because the companies fail to do an Amazon product review. That is very important because the customer is totally dependent on the Amazon product review since it's legal. For a new product to succeed, it's critical to do an Amazon product review analysis to make sure that there is a market for the product and its specific features, as well as to find merchandising strategies. Thank you.